Hey homeowners, this is Bianca and welcome back to MF Home TV. So one of the ways we homeowners decorate our homes is by finding an inspo photo or a peg on the internet, right? Especially when we don't want to hire an interior designer and we want to take things into our own hands. We were thinking, how can MF Home TV help in this situation? Well, that's why we've created a brand new series that you can totally look forward to. Let's recreate. Basically, you can email us your inspo photo or your peg and we will recreate it using affordable and accessible furniture. Mandawi foam. Just a disclaimer, of course, we can't use the same exact furniture. That's why it's called a peg. So we look for something that's similar or it has the same feel and aesthetic as the inspiration, right? So, all right, let's go to the showroom. For today, we will start with our pick. Pero sa susunod na episodes, kayo na ha? More details by the end of this episode. And anyways, this is our peg from today. It is a photo that we got from Pinterest. Since this episode is on a budget, we use every homeowner's saving grace, the home card. Anyways, we'll start off with the biggest piece in the room, the sofa. So let's go to the sofa area. One of the most distinct features of this photo is that the sofa is orange and made out of leather. I think we found the closest sofa, the Harriet and Delfino Ginger. Next, the carpets. Ooh. Okay. We don't have a carpet that's the same as the one in the photo, but that's okay. We can use any gray carpet that is not as shaggy. You know, this happens a lot. Sometimes you don't find something similar to what's on the photo, but the best approach to this problem is to find something that has the same aesthetic or feel. It could be the same color, the same texture, the same shape, or the same material. I think we should go to the accent chairs next. This is great. We've got something super similar. This is the Talon accent chair for 5,700 pesos. Awesome. So now what we have to find next is 2 bookcases, a TV rack, a coffee table, and of course the decor. So come on, a lot of shopping to do. Here we have the coffee table, the Dimitri. As you can see, it has the same black metal legs and wooden top. And yes, the shape is not exactly the same, but the aesthetic is, and that's what is important, right? Now, let's teleport to the bookcases. Okay, so as you can see, it's the same as the coffee table. We've got the same color, we've got the same material, but not so much the shaping. But that's totally fine because you'll see as a whole, when the room is done, you'll find that it's really more about the aesthetic rather than the individual pieces of furniture. Lastly, we go to the TV rack section. Here at the TV rack section, we can find something very similar to a peg. However, when we look at the photo, the appeal of the TV rack is the color, right? Sometimes it's the legs, often it's the frame design, but this one is its beautiful reddish wood color, and we got something close to that here. Okay, we've got all the big furniture checked, so now let's go down to the small details. Ooh. Here's one of the wall arts we will use, and of course we can't find the exact design unless we print it out of the internet, so we got something that is also abstract. If you also notice, they got the throw pillar colors from the wall art, which brings me to the tip. to make your room coordinate in color, it's a good idea to get your throw pillar colors from the biggest art you got. Remember the 60-30-10 rule from our previous episode? Yep, you may get your accent color from your wall arts. Okay, now our room is done. Take a look at this. What do you guys think? If you find some inspiration in an inspo photo that you saw on the internet, don't hesitate to come by Mandawa Foam and check out the furniture, because chances are you will find what you're looking for. Submit your inspo photo to us so that we can help you. Email us at mandawafoamhometv@gmail.com with the subject Let's Recreate. Thank you guys so much, and see you in our next episode. This is Bianca for MF Home TV, inspiring your home. Congratulations to last week's winner. Here's this week's prize.